As you can see, we're in the middle of Amsterdam City. I think this is the most central hotel in Amsterdam, as we're right behind Dam Square. I think what is really nice is that we have actually a sound system that is mostly used, I think, in clubs and on bigger events. I don't think a lot of hotels have it, but especially as we really focus on these high-end events, we of course want to give the guests also the best experience possible. So we are really happy with the sound system. We can really turn our W lounge from a relaxing cocktail lounge into a full-blown club where we have the most amazing parties and can entertain our guests. What I really like about it is that it blends in and it doesn't take the attention of our architectural details, which of course is part of our storyline. We have a lot of small little details throughout the whole lounge, and I like that it blends in with that and it doesn't take the attention of everything, but it still is, the sound is amazing. We mostly get compliments from our DJs and they're always quite impressed with the sound system that we have. And as we have it all built in, it's actually, we're almost always set to go, you know? We only need to add a few more and then we're ready to create the most amazing parties. So that's, I think, the biggest compliment we can get. If the really big artists as well really appreciate us having this equipment in the lounge.